The lowest effort way to look type A as fuck at your corporate job is citing the AI generated meeting transcripts like they are the Bible. So I know this is totally doable with Gemini and Google Meets. I'm guessing at this point there's a way to do it with Zoom as well. But essentially, if you turn the AI generated meeting transcript on, it will just say what everyone says. And then the next time a question comes up in Slack, or you're gonna bring something to your manager, your team lead, whatever, quote that shit. Say, at 4:14 of the meeting on Tuesday, it was said da-da-da-da-da. If you're making a Slack announcement, say, if anyone's interested for more context on this decision, see the meeting notes at this and link the PDF. Genuinely, the most low effort thing, because you can just Control F and search the document for whatever you're referring to, and then just show it to everyone. Easy, prepared, type A, we love it. Also worth noting, if you ever need to find information and don't remember what is said in a meeting, just go back to the transcript, it will all be there.